The Audi phone box is the ideal place for your smartphone. When you place it into the holder beneath the center armrest, wireless charging is activated automatically upon contact. Alternatively, you can charge it via USB. Once connected via Bluetooth, the MMI system automatically identifies your mobile phone on every trip. Up to 2 phones can be connected simultaneously. Change between them with just a click. The Audi phone box is also coupled to the outside aerial. This enables improved speech and reception quality thanks to HD voice technology and LTE advanced speed. The Audi phone box also significantly reduces the mobile phone's transmission power and therefore radiation inside the vehicle. The Audi phone box, the technical highlight that integrates your smartphone seamlessly into the Audi infotainment.